Hey garden friends, so today I'm making a small simple arrangement in this wooden little barrel, and it's got a drainage hole in there, and I'll show you the succulents I have for it. These are Crassula Ivory towers. Look at those margins and the tiny little dots on them. They're really pretty right now. I've got Echeveria Lilacina. So there's a lot of farina on this one, and they're slightly pink, and this one has a baby. Super cute. So I have two of those, and this one is a Graptopetalum Paraguayense. So it's a star-shaped succulent, and it's like really light blue, kind of gray. Look at the margins, how light they are. So pretty. I love it. So the first thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put my plastic little screen there on the drainage hole. I'm gonna grab some soil here and put this a little closer. Kind of fill this up. I think that's good. If I see like really big twigs that are just gonna get in the way, kind of pluck them out. All right, so that's regular potting soil with pumice. So I'm gonna get started, and I'm gonna start off with the ivory towers, and I'm gonna plant them in the back. So I'm gonna make my little well in the back, right there. And I'm gonna get the taller ones, plant the taller ones in the back. And I have 5. So 2 in the back, 3 in the front. Looks cool. All right, gonna anchor those down with soil. And I'm actually gonna add a bit of soil in the back. And kind of arrange them a little more loose. All right, that looks good. I'm gonna place my Paraguayense in the center here, and then the 2 Lilacinas right next to it. Okay. Anchor it down. And the one that I have a little more space here because this one has a baby, so I'm gonna plant that one to the left, put the baby to the side like that, and I'm gonna grab my knitting needle here. Got a lot of pumice in there. Gonna make a deeper well, get that twig out of the way, because I want all of those roots to be in the soil, not just right on top, but actually buried in there. So I'm gonna add a little more soil in here. And I'm gonna press it down with my knitting needle. Just to anchor it down. Use a little more soil in here. Okay, so put this one a little more. Okay, and I want them to face up, so I'm just going to adjust them a bit. Okay, move on to the right side and place in my last area. I'm going to dig in there. Face it this way. Make sure all those roots are tucked in. I'm gonna add a tiny bit more soil. I'm gonna adjust these Crassulas. not bad. That's pretty cute. I like it. Gonna press that Echeveria a little lower. Press it down. Cool. I don't think I even need the stones because you can hardly see the soil, because that's what I use the stones for, to cover the soil. Get my little blower. Dust the centers off. These little blowers here work very good to dust off the center of the succulent without touching it. You don't want to mess up the farina. And this is actually a camera cleaner for the little nooks and crevices in a camera. You just blow the dust off. Yeah, great for succulents. Okay. And even though you can't see a lot of the soil, I'm still gonna add some. Just like doing it. I'm only using the smaller stones, so I'm plucking out the bigger ones. Almost done. This turned out very nice. Can't wait to see it grow. Tiny bit more. It'll be all done. Thank you for watching, guys. This was a fun arrangement. Simple, pink. Two great combinations, simple and pink. Oh man. And these Crassulas are gonna grow nice and tall. All right. Well, thanks for watching, guys. Until the next arrangement. Thank you. Bye.